Today we're excited to announce the release of the shorter versions of the SDX or step deck trailer. The SDX was released in 2021 and has been a game changer in the hotshot industry. We're taking those same features and versatility of the step deck design and now gearing them toward the construction and agriculture industries. Until now, the SDX was only available in 38, 40, and 43 foot bottom deck lengths. It will now be available in all lengths that current F-Max models are available in. The difference is obviously going from a gooseneck to the step deck. Where the step deck, you do have to have either a hotshot style bed or a traditional flat bed to be able to pull the step deck. It does limit some users that don't have that configuration. But when you look at most construction companies and or agricultural operations, they run a lot of flatbeds. So the benefit is that you get the extra 80 square feet of working area, but also comes with sliding ramps in the back. What does that do for you? It actually gives you that working space, giving you a total of the full length of the trailer to be able to use, whether you need to put implements up here or you can stack it with hay up here, or even be able to drive a small piece of equipment or a side-by-side up here to get you out of a pinch or to be able to move from job to job. It just is, again, that much more versatile than traditional wasted space on a gooseneck. A bonus update to the SDX design is a new front locking toolbox. Before, this was just a wide open chain tray. Now it has a front open toolbox that if you do the winch package on the trailer, your battery and charger are housed inside of it to be able to be locked out of the way. And it still has some storage area in the front. If you don't elect for the winch package, this is all open storage. So if you're in the construction or the ag industry and you're used to pulling a shorter gooseneck, say a 25 to 30, 35 foot gooseneck, and you want the ultimate in versatility, check out the SDX at diamondsea.com. There on the Learning Center, you can find out all the deets.